Do you manage a team working in the field or on the factory floor? Are you struggling to ensure that your team's tasks meet your standards, comply with regulations, and are completed on time, especially if you're still relying on paper forms, spreadsheets, or outdated desktop apps? This can lead to manual errors, delays, and inconsistent process, ultimately resulting in customer complaints and serious compliance issues. When problems do occur, you have no simple way to find the root cause. Axonator is here to change that. With Axonator, you can equip your workforce with simple mobile apps and provide your managers with real-time dashboards. Axonator allows you to rapidly build these apps, automate workflows, and reports, all with one unified platform. Make every task verifiable with automated checklists with audit trails, geotagging, photo captures, and signatures directly in your reports. Keep everyone informed automatically, with real-time reports on work done. Audit trails makes it simple to uncover the underlying cause of problems. While other platforms show you the progress, Axonator guarantees that the work follows your standards and is done in time, every time. Say goodbye to customer complaints and compliance issues today with Axonator. Request demo now.